guys are not going to believe this. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW, and yep, went for a little trim. I only trimmed it because of the upcoming surgery. It's going to be easier to maintain. That's a little shorter. Sorry if any of you guys are triggered that the majority of the length is gone. But today we got to get the car off of the quick jacks because we are going to the glass shop. It was actually my wife and one of our good friends, Marlo, who arranged this, that she got me a screaming deal on a new windshield for Quinn. Because if you guys don't remember, we took a bit of a bullet hole this summer with a super large rock. Hopefully you guys can see that. We need to get the car off the quick jacks, and then I gotta tidy up the front end of the bumper. I know the bumper's off for paint, and fingers crossed we don't get into any trouble with not running a bumper, but we're just gonna go down to the glass shop, have them change it, and then we'll bring it back home and put it back on the lifts. But first, we need to get it up in the air, get these pieces either taken off or maybe zip tied up. I don't know, but let's figure it out. So let's get this going and get it ready to go to the glass shop. We got the inner fender liners put on. Now, I could have left these off, but I didn't want to because sitting, I don't know if you can see right here, there is a radiator. I didn't want the rocks from the street coming off the tire and slamming into that radiator, causing more damage, and then who knows what else we would have had to fix. So this way, with the inner fender liner put on, that's safe. And then if there's any muck or grime on the road, it's just gonna stay cleaner in here. I have to take them back off so we can put the bumper back on, but I tie wrapped it all up, so it should be pretty secure. I mean, it's a little flimsy, but it's a little flimsy, but for the most part, I think it'll be okay for just a quick little drive down to the glass shop. Now let's put the wheels back on and put her on the ground, get the compressors going, get some air in the suspension, and I think we'll be good to go to head off to the glass shop. So keep watching. I'm going to bring you guys along to the glass shop in 3, 2, 1. Before we head to the paint shop, I just had to show you back on the ground. Boy, howdy, does she look good. I'm really falling in love with the white again. Man, looks so clean. And I salvaged my top 100 sticker. Yes, because if I didn't, this would have went with the old glass. Now, let's get into the car, head down to the glass shop. Good morning. Obviously this is another day, but we are off to take the car to get the windshield replaced. As you guys can see, or I'll show you, we got a nasty blast of winter last night. Not exactly the ideal road conditions that I wanted to take Quinn to get the windshield changed, but it's the appointment we have, and it's the appointment we're going to try and get to. We're leaving ourselves about just over an hour to get there. It's about a 30-minute drive, but the roads say it's absolutely super treacherous. So, wish me luck, and let's hope we get there okay. Well, there's the bullet hole, but so far the roads are pretty much just wet, thankfully. So it's actually not going too bad. Once we get out of our neighborhood and onto the main streets, no problem. But man, this car ride's rough. That just with all the frost heaves and how crappy the roads are in the wintertime here, I forgot how stiff this car rides. I might have to dial back the stiffness on the bags, because boy howdy does this sucker, it's so rough on these crappy roads. But just taking our time, going nice and slow and easy, and we'll get there all in one piece, minus the front bumper obviously, because that's still at the paint shop. We are almost there. It was just about a 40-minute drive, so it actually didn't take us too long to get down here. It was shorter than I actually anticipated, which is good. So we'll go and get this over to the Glassmasters and get this windshield changed. Okay, we made it to Glassmasters. Here's a first look of Quinn in the sunshine. Let's head in, drop it off, and then we'll go do some other errands. That was such a super nice group of people. I would highly recommend going to Glassmasters again. The prices were better than any prices that I could find anywhere. So a massive thank you to my wife Tammy and Marlo for getting this all set up and hooked up. You guys rock. And now it's so clear. It's so nice, but it's very weird not having a banner. It's like super bright. You guys are not going to believe this. Not even on the road 5 minutes, and I already got another Rockchip in the freaking windshield. What an absolute piss off. I'm so mad right now. It's these big stupid trucks throwing up all the rocks. Yep, there she is, broken again. I'm gonna run up to the Glassmasters up here in the northwest. Hopefully they can fill it. I mean, I'm gonna show them that I have the receipt and I just got it fixed. So we'll go see what they can do for us. See? Already. Freaking BS and all the damn rocks they put on the city roads. Alright. We made it home. Huge thank you to Jason at the Glassmasters. They filled it as good as they can. I'll show you what it looks like now. That sucks. He said he's never ever seen somebody get a Rockchip within half an hour of having a windshield changed. So it's just terrible, horrible luck, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I was kind of thinking that if I put the airlift banner back there again. Maybe I can strategically just hide it until next year, and then we'll replace it again. Or if it's just gonna bug me, then maybe we'll go get another windshield put in when all the rocks are taken off the road. I don't know. Super frustrating. A lot of work to get the car out of storage, down there to get changed, and yeah, just so not pleasant. But it's the way she goes. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Pretty crappy, but we'll make the best out of the situation. I mean, the rest of the windshield is super nice and clear, and it does look really sharp. It's kind of like dead center, lower, right in the middle. I don't know. We'll play it by ear. But we got it home. I give it a quick rinse off with the garden hose just to get all the grime and mud and crap off of it. And then we go for surgery in a couple days. So the car's gonna sit here as is for now, and we'll get back to it. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.